things from my old onto the new one. Right, so over here is my new motherboard. This is exactly as I received this. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's inside. So here it is. You see that beauty? Just brand new. Okay, so let's start moving things from the old motherboard to the new motherboard now. So just right, so in order to take a processor out, you have to unscrew this screw, right? You're doing that to the left direction. And now you can lift the processor up, right? And now let's make sure that on our new motherboard it's open. Yep, it's all fine. And now inside the processor there's one in one of the corners there's one pin missing. Actually there are two pins missing on this one, so that indicates you which way you should put that in. So that goes this way. Now to the right direction, we're just turning the screw over, and that puts the processor back in place. Another thing to move from old motherboard is the LAN module. So it's over here. So just simply taking those two metal pads up and taking it out. So that goes here. And finally, there is another module has a Bluetooth and other things. So I'm lifting it up, and that goes here. Now let's put the screws back. So that's it from this side. From the other side, we've got a memory. So you're just pulling those two levers, and you can take the module out. Wow. So you got memory out from the old motherboard. And that's all the parts we needed. So now we can proceed and put the new motherboard back in place. Right. Right, now new motherboard is in place. So we can proceed with getting the screws back where they were. So, second screw here. Fourth screw here. One here. One here. And one here. And that's for the EDAM module, which is actually over here, so I don't need that because I got this from the other motherboard. And so that will be it from this side. Now there's the cable here. Another cable here. Cable here. This ribbon there. That goes there. And now we can start putting everything back together slowly. So this goes here. Right, the first thing that goes over here is the heatsink for the processor. So let's put the heatsink back. can put a graphics card at this point as well. So let's put it over there. Oops, sorry about that. Right. So now all of this goes here, and that goes over there. I have to get that ribbon over there somehow. Alright, so here we go. All those screws can go in now. Alright, so from this side we've got all of them. Now let's go from this side. There's a screw over here. Screw over here. And here. And there should be screw over there. The question is where it is. Yeah, there are two screws here. Alright, so at this point over here, the black one goes with the black marking on the one module. The white one goes with the white marking on the one module. And the blue one goes over there. And the grey cable is unplugged. Like this, additional antenna, if one of those would get snapped or something. Right. So that will be it from this side. You can put that cover back again. You just should set it back in. I just don't know what the additional screw is. Can't see it. Right, anyway. Oh no, actually it's not. Okay.